everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with 4 things that I wish I knew before starting my business. So for those of you who are not familiar with me, I'm Keisha Charmaine. I've had my business Light Locs officially since 2018, but I've been running my business since 2014. First, I started out selling handmade lock accessories to head wraps, and now I'm into the hair product realm. So clearly I've been in business for a long time now. My business has grossed over $100,000 for multiple years now. And I think that this video will help someone, especially if you're starting out. Maybe you're just thinking about starting a business, whether you want to go all in or if you want a side hustle to supplement your current income. So before I get into the 4 things, I want to let you guys know that I have a 40% off Black Friday sale going on right now while supplies last. I have the link below. The sale consists of the Light Locs product line. I have a link down below for you to access the coupon code. The first thing that I wish I knew was to get an accountant/bookkeeper. Now, while running my business, I did have accountants here and there, like doing my taxes, but I mean, I wish I had a bookkeeper working with me around the clock. Or I should say all year long, not around the clock, all year long. They can help you allot your money in the best ways to fit you and your business. They can help you decide how much you should be paying yourself. They can help you to not underestimate your expenses, which is really important because you will end up in debt. And matter of fact, don't be afraid of debt. You know, debt, that's a part of life. That's a part of making money. If you ask anybody in the 1%, which is really only $250,000 and up, ask anybody how they accumulated wealth, oftentimes debt is a part of it. So that's just a little nugget right there. Which leads me to number 2, seek grants. You know, a lot of times we think, you know, loans. And while loans are great, you know, there's different types of loans that you can get. Grants are free money that you don't have to pay back. And they're available for you. Find them. That should be a part of your routine, looking for grants. Like, look for grants. Now, again, loans are not terrible. I do have a quick tip. Here's another nugget for when it comes to getting loans. If you can, try to get a loan that's more than what you need. So I'm going to just play with some numbers really quickly. Say you need $6,000. Get a loan for $10,000. So while you're using that $6,000 to make your business profitable, you have $4,000 to pay back into the loan. So when you get a loan, there's an amount of time that you have, like a grace period where you don't have to pay it back. Once you get past that grace period, you can start paying it back with that extra $4,000. So that's going to buy you more time to make more revenue, to be more profitable, so that you can pay back your loan more comfortably. Versus if you only got that $6,000 loan when you needed to use it 100%, now you're dipping into your revenue right away to pay back that loan. So essentially you're using part of the loan to start back paying the loan. I hope I explained that well. Number 3, get help. Get coaches, get mentors. I was trying to figure everything out on my own for way too long. It's embarrassing. I had a level of delusion where I just thought that, you know, this is easy. And I was hitting certain financial goals that I thought, you know, I should be proud of. But looking back, I could have aspired for way more, and I could have gotten way more a lot sooner if I had the right mentor to tell me that, no, you know, Keisha, you can aim higher. And if I had the right coaches, I would have been able to execute on that. So if you are looking to start your own business, product-based business, that doesn't mean hair products like me. That can be any type of product. If you're looking to start your product-based business, I can be your coach. I can be your mentor, and I can help you along your pathway from ideation to execution. The Product Pathway program is an 8-week program with weekly live coaching sessions. So again, I'll be helping you to create your product-based business from ideation to execution, And after the program, you'll be confident in your product and you'll be ready to make money. And more importantly, serve your customers. If you're ready to start your product-based business, make sure you check the description box. I have a link below for you to schedule a meeting with me. Now, number 4. Now, this is a big one. This is a big one that a lot of new businesses mess up with. I wish that I knew how to properly price my products. If you don't know how to properly price your products, considering the cost of goods and the time you invested into your products, you could be ending up broke even, or even worse, losing money. There are formulas to price your product properly. So, it's really important that you are working with a coach, a mentor, take classes, invest in yourself as an entrepreneur, as a business person, so that you can appropriately lead your business. Even if you're just a solopreneur, appropriately lead your business into the direction of your goals. So those are the 4 things that I wish I knew before starting my business. If you're an entrepreneur and you have some more things that you learned that you wish you knew from the beginning, leave them in the comments below. If you're ready to start your product-based business, definitely click the link below, schedule a meeting with me. And remember, the Love, Light, and Locs Black Friday sale is on now. While supplies last, click the link below to get access to the coupon code. Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs.